babatiin din natin ang laban na laban din sa pagiging workaholic ang nagse-celebrate ng 19th year sa showbiz industry. Our Chinita Princess, my bestie, Kim Chu!
Grabe, pag ganun palang pagbati.
Kaya pala blooming na blooming.
Kaya sakto pala yung pag-halter ko.
Yes.
Kaya pala pinaghandaan mo kami sobra.
Thank you naman Showtime sa pagbati. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa akin, sumusuporta at nagtitiwala. Mahal na mahal ko din kayo. I'm very thankful and grateful to each and every one. To my ABS-CBN family. Thank you so much.
And we're so...
Thank you lahat.
Yes!
Congrats,
At Kimmy, we're
Kimmy.
so happy na It's Showtime is part of your 19 years
Yes!
in the industry.
Thank you, Ate.
Congratulations, Kimmy. We love you.
We love you. Oh,
Ang malungkot. Dapat
We love
masaya.
Sama na.
ba't ka naiiyak, Kimi?
Girl, I'm thankful lang. Very grateful and thankful. Lord, salamat po.
Bestie, ikaw lang ang kilala kong nag-photoshoot para sa 19th anniversary nila. Iba ka talaga.
Iba ka.
Siyempre!
Alam mo ba, milestone to
Yes.
reach this
Ay,
long.
nagka-inspiration
Totoo
ako.
yan.
Sabi ko, parang everyday dapat may photoshoot. Kasi everyday is a blessing.
Correct.
Yes, every gising is a blessing, so we have to be thankful araw-araw. Small wins, big wins, and everything in between.
Dahil dyan, naabangan namin ang 20th anniversary mo.
Correct.
Yes! Next year!